This video I will explain best side hustles to start with zero investment. First, what is side hustle? A side hustle simply means any small job or project you do to earn extra money apart from your main job, studies, or daily work. The best part here is that these side hustles require no upfront money to get started. All you need is your time, skills, or creativity. First side hustle is freelancing. Freelancing means offering your skills to people or companies on a project basis. For example, writing articles, designing graphics, editing videos, or coding small software tasks. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork connect freelancers with clients. You don't need money to join. You just need the skill and a good profile. The second side hustle is online tutoring. If you are good at subject, you can teach others online. You can tutor school students, teach spoken English, or even music or coding. Websites like Check, Preply, or even social media help you to find students. This requires knowledge and communication skills, but no money investment. Third side hustle is content creation. Content creation means making videos, blogs, or posts to share knowledge or entertainment. For example, YouTube channels, Instagram pages, or writing blogs. It costs nothing to start, though it takes time to grow an audience. Once popular, you can earn money through ads, sponsorship, or product promotions. Fourth side hustle is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting products online and earning small commission when someone buys using your link. You don't need to buy or keep the product, you only promote it. Websites like Amazon Associates or ClickBank allow you to join for free. You will need a social media account, blog, or YouTube channel to share the links. Fifth side hustle is print on demand. Print on demand means selling custom designs like t shirts, mugs, or bags without buying a stock. You upload your design on websites like Redbubble or Teespring and they print and ship it only when someone orders. You only need creativity, there is no upfront cost. Sixth side hustle is virtual assistants. A virtual assistant helps businesses or individuals with tasks like replying to emails, scheduling, or managing social media. You can work remotely from home. Skills needed are organization, communication, and basic computer knowledge. You don't need to invest money, only your time. Seventh side hustle is drop shipping. Normally, drop shipping requires some investment, but you can start small with free store builders. In drop shipping, you sell products online, but the supplier handles storage and shipping. Your job is only to set up online store and promote the products. It is almost free to begin, but requires effort to market. Eighth side hustle is online surveys and market research. Companies pay people to share opinions on their products and services. You can register on survey websites and complete surveys for small payments. This is easiest to start, but the income is usually very low compared to other side hustles. Now we will see key takeaway. The best side hustles with zero investment use your skills, creativity, and time rather than money. If you have skills, try freelancing or tutoring. If you like creativity, try content creation or print on demand. If you like simple tasks, try virtual assistants or surveys.